Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. We're going to explain the most recent XRP court case, why it matters, and two major pieces of information you should know if you possess XRP. I will visit some of the URLs provided in the description, so please subscribe and enable notifications. So, let's take a look at the market as a whole at the moment. $1.56 trillion Bitcoin surges above the $40,000 mark. The past 2 days have been rather challenging for anybody holding 20 to 37 XRP. At 5,188, I am 0.3 percentage points ahead of my debt. Curiously, 881 million is still below the volumes. The market volume has dropped, but what's happening with XRP? It's a big drop from where we were around the 1.2 to 1.3 billion hold area. It seems to happen daily, at least. There is a legal battle going on between them and someone, whether it's the SEC, certain holders, or, more recently, a firm named GCC. You might be unaware of this. There was a problem with the selling of 40,000 XRP at the end. Not long after 2022. Not being compensated as he was ultimately worth roughly 13.8 million euros. The Singaporean branch of Ripple began legal action in July of last year, claiming that the GCC exchange had breached their contract by not paying the overdue invoices for more than 40,000 XRP transfers that had taken place under the 2022 supply agreement. The total value of the disputed transaction was allegedly 8 million XRP, or about $15 million. Furthermore, the dismissal was based on a demand for reimbursement for late costs that arose from non-payment. In the end, it seems like Ripple is once again in control. They've settled, which is important, but it's a confidential settlement with no admission of liability. It's interesting to think about, but ultimately, they're taking people to court and winning. They're very determined in their court case. I believe things start to heat up when you consider the SEC and how that one may play out, especially since Ripple is already well-versed in the current situation. Good news from GCC, they're putting an undisclosed amount of money back into Ripple. We will inform you, once again, once we receive such data. Interesting enough, the SEC has already filed a fresh request requiring the report to turn over crucial papers, including the company's financial statements for 2022 and 2023. Also, the XRP sales contracts are post-compliant, which is intriguing considering the recent developments with the GCC case. The official in charge of oversight maintained that, despite their shortcomings, the records remain crucial. Keep in mind that the sale of XRP is the end goal, and the information they supply might reveal whether or not the organization has broken any security rules. When deciding on remedies, the court will not use the SEC's information. Evidently, the SEC would like the court to make a short decision on the merits of the case rather than delving into the details of whether or not Ripple post-compliant sales sequential investments, contracts put on the whole proceedings of the MEF, actually apply. That was a quotation from Ripple, in the end. The SEC is determined to take this through to its conclusion. Lastly, XRP-L, what's the deal? We are rapidly approaching the launch of the Ethereum sidechain, which will allow us to connect the Ethereum sidechain to the XRP ledger. This will have far-reaching implications for the future of financial infrastructure construction. The construction of this bridge on the Ethereum virtual machine is a major deal. In the end, Paris's message was full of hope and provided specific details on the project milestones we've begun in 2020. I believe it is incredibly essential to reiterate that the XRP-L will undoubtedly be at the forefront of what is about to happen with XRP, as we are getting closer and closer to the debut of the long-awaited EVM sidechain for XRP ledger. At this precise moment, everything is, of course, in my view. Here we go again with 5,188, what gives with the pricing at the moment? Just a quick note, the reading isn't fantastic. We're below the 200-day moving average, which is where you'd want to see a recovery. The same holds true for a backup system. We stray slightly from it on the daily. Further declines to the 47 to 48 level may be in store if the market doesn't follow suit. Finally, we'll consider this a success if the 200 moving average levels out and the volume price signal begins to work in our favor, as well as if we witness a reversal once we break back above this bounce line. This is the pinnacle of charting. However, I have been making use of these signs for a while now. Check out the link in the description to receive a 30% discount on Chart Prime. These indicators are great for highlighting buy orders, sell orders, reversals, and trend lines or movements on charts. Plus, they have a YouTube channel where you can find all the training materials you need to make the most of Charter Prime. If you are interested, you can find the link in the description. Don't forget to use the 30% discount coupon. We will be watching the MACD at the bottom of this page to see whether XRP starts to move again. Is a reversal in the works? Just yesterday, I brought this up before the market took a serious tumble, and Grayscale has been selling Bitcoin at a loss of roughly $800 million thus far today. We will monitor it closely. If you agree or disagree with my assessment that XRP is about to undergo a reasonable consolidation before making a significant move, please share your thoughts in the comments below. It's all over today. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.